Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And in this video, I'm going to show you the new version of Aster that was released today, Aster version 2.70. So let's get started. To download the new version, head over to our website, ibiksoft.com, and download the installer. I've already downloaded it, as you can see here, and the version is 2.701. And if you click on the download Aster button, then it will download the new version. So let's run the installer. Let me finish the install. So in this version of Aster, and one of the changes that was introduced was adding exception to Windows Firewall and the Windows Defender, so that Aster application can run without any issues. And it happens when you install the application, so you don't have to do it manually. Now, another change that is introduced in this version is option to force assign the monitors to the displays. This option, when this option is not checked, if you open assign video outputs option, then you have to manually assign the monitor to the displays. But if you check the option force assign monitors to display and close it, then it will be auto assigned to the displays without having to do it manually. As you can see, this second monitor is assigned to 1.2 and the first monitor is assigned to 1.1. So that's about it for this video, and if you have any questions regarding this release or have any issues, then don't forget to mention in the comment below, or you can reach out to us through support request or through WhatsApp and Telegram mentioned in the video description. Have a good day.